Musamseleku, when it comes to Mayeni and Macele, they have got birthday. Musamseleku can do something for them, to buy a present for them. But when it comes to Makumalo and Mangwabe, we didn't see Musamseleku do something for them the way he is doing to Mayeni and Macele. We saw Musamseleku last time. He was baking some of the cakes for Mayeni. He knows that Mayeni loves cakes, loves to bake some of the cakes. That's why Musamseleku, he was baking some of the cakes for Mayeni with his kids and surprised him. Mayeni was very happy. Musamseleku told Macele to bake a cake for Mayeni because he want to surprise Mayeni. Musamseleku knows what Mayeni she want. That's why he was always doing something at Mayeni's birthday to make her happy. Even Macele, Musamseleku knows that Macele want to go out. Every year Musamseleku, he is always taking Macele and her family and go out to spend money with Macele, to go to expensive restaurant. But when it comes to Makumalo, we didn't see Musamseleku doing something for Makumalo. Makumalo likes nice things, but Musamseleku didn't buy even a one thing for Makumalo and say, "Happy birthday, baby." Makumalo likes to have parties. Makumalo is the kind of person who want to have parties. But Musamseleku didn't do anything since we watched Utando Nestembo season 1 until season 9. Musamseleku didn't do something even to attend Makumalo's birthday party. Makumalo was celebrating her birthday party with Mpilo last year, and she was celebrating because she brought her new house in Durban. So Musamseleku was not there at that time. Makumalo have a party because she wanted to celebrate her birthday and to celebrate a new house at the same time. But Musamseleku and Makumalo, they don't talk to each other. Even Musamseleku to put an effort to go to Makumalo to attend her birthday. Even now on season 9, on 2026, Makumalo, you've got 37 years. Makumalo, you've got her friends. Everyone was at Makumalo's birthday. But Musamseleku was not at Makumalo's birthday. But Makumalo now, she doesn't care if Musamseleku, he is there or not, because Makumalo knows that he is doing it for his wives. When it comes to his wives, he can do something. Even Makumalo's family, they know it because they saw it on television. When it comes to Mayeni and Macele, he can find a way to do something for them. But when it comes to Makumalo, Musamseleku doesn't do anything for Makumalo and Mangwabe. Makumalo was always spoiling Musamseleku every year at his birthday. Makumalo was buying presents for Musamseleku. Makumalo, she was buying presents for Musamseleku, doing something for him. But Musamseleku, we didn't see one day to buy a present for Makumalo. Makumalo was attending Musamseleku's birthday and was the one who was preparing Musamseleku's birthday, Makumalo and Mangwawe. But when it comes to their birthdays, Musamseleku doesn't do anything for them or to take them out to say, Makumalo, I'm celebrating your birthday. Musamseleku doesn't do anything for Makumalo. And all the time, Makumalo was recording all those things. And they saw it the way he is treating Mayeni and Macele at their birthdays. He can spend his money, his last money. But when it comes to Makumalo and Mangwabe, he thinks that he is wasting money to them. You understand? So that's why Makumalo now, guys, last time we see Makumalo buying expensive present from Samseleku at his birthday. Last time on season 7. But now on season 8, Makumalo only she attended Musamseleku's birthday, that last birthday on 50th birthday. Now Musamseleku was celebrating his birthday with his kids his wife are not at his birthday. I don't think that Makumalo and Mangwawe, they are going to attend Musamseleku's birthday next time.